Hey guys, welcome to YKim YouTube channel. Please subscribe and ring the bell, and if you're new, comment down below. What I'd like to talk to you guys about today, it's about technology, our relationship to it, and our relationship with nature. So I have a question that I'd like us to ask ourselves and to think about. Has the separation from nature and smaller communities, because of our technological genius, has that made us suffer, be depressed, and live a life that is not the kind of life we should be living? Does it make us better people to be separated from nature? As the argument goes, since we have developed technology to such an extent, and the small steps of progression that have happened over history, technology has completely removed us from our natural state of being in small communities, with small groups, with control over those small family groups. And the development of technology has removed us from nature itself, from the world we live in, the real world. This has caused us to not fulfill our potential as people. Proposition 2, I will put forward, and then we can make a decision about where we stand. The genius and adaptability of our skill, our technique, has given us a world which is much better than ever before. There is less poverty. There is a much better quality of life because of this technology that we've created. We now have access to information at a very rapid speed, and that's made us intelligent and smart and better. We now have the possibility with Horizon Worlds and other metaverse platforms to create our own exciting and wonderful, artistic and even strange new worlds to socialize together with only the friends we want to and need to. That can happen instantly, and it can be a joyous and fulfilling experience for all of us. We can also do the same thing with our work to sustain a living and our quality of living by working. We can even work in these metaverse worlds. Not only that, if and when we want to, there's a good possibility we could leave this planet and take us to a different planet and live there. If the environment turns out to not be able to sustain us anymore, we can go to another planet and rapidly use the technology to live a better and more prosperous life. Technology can save us. Technology makes us better people because of this new way we're living. So I'd like you guys to think about it. Tell me where you stand, and tell me what you think. We've got a perfect, practical, real-time example right now. I am now, through this communication and this text, speaking with you. You're watching me. You're communicating with me through this text, this video platform. And this is even just now, in 2021, this is the way a lot of us are living. Constantly. And it's only going to progress more and more. Is that a bad thing? Or is that a really great thing? That we now have things to do in our spare time which make us happy? Or is it really making us suffer and making us less of a human because we're in these worlds non-stop and we're removed from other people in our lives, communities, smaller communities, even the larger communities? We may even not get to find out what the truth is with some things that are going on in the world because it's hard to do so through these platforms. It's much easier to find out the facts of what is happening around us with other people by being there and seeing it and thinking about it and asking questions and having a dialogue. Much more difficult to do in a platform like this. Has our separation from nature caused us to be less of what we should be? Excellent. Or is the development of technology, it's what we do. Technology is us. From developing fire, and then you can do the rest of the mathematics. We are technology. So is it just inevitable? And does it make us better people? That's kind of what I want us to think about. Tell me what you guys reflect on in regards to this question. And I'm looking forward to seeing your comments below. Peace out, YKim.